Warning, this video will be obnoxious and contain bull cuts, so like and subscribe.
How's it going, guys? It's my name's Tiny Pop, and today we're playing Dom Doodle-Doo. Alright, let's get this shit started.
What is that? Is that radiation?
What is that? Is that a cow? There's a cow on the wall.
Hold on, kids. Hold on, I gotta turn on my light. I gotta turn on my light, kids. Hold on.
Oh, don't look at that.
Oh god. It's radiation.
Hey, whoa.
Why is the chick wearing like booty shorts and a jacket? Like, that doesn't make sense.
Hey, are you looking at me, kid? Are you checking me out?
Is there a pop?
Yeah.
Oh, hey guys, I'll tell you the new update. Found it. There's new features, new indoor map area 51, 2 new characters, Jack and Elisa, new team character for Avatar Tennis, who gives a fuck about that? Improvement! Added new disturbing effects that increase your character degree of sanity decreases. Hey, credits! Fuck you! What the hell? There's a leaderboard on this thing? You're a nerd. Look at this kid game.
Kid, we need to be number 1 in the world.
What did I hear whispers? But Mom, the voices are back again.
Oh, it's a
Oh, it's the
library?
library. Yeah, I'm hearing the whispers.
Oh yeah, I hear the whispers.
No,
it's
the library. I hate library. Oh god.
Guys, come on, everything's gonna... Ah! I got you.
What was that? I hate the radiation.
I hear it.
Oh yeah.
Oh, I think I...
It's like right in here.
here.
In the box. What's in the box?
Oh, here it is.
It's attacking.
Oh god.
Remember when that scared us every time somebody did that?
I grabbed the whole thing last time.
Oh, don't go that way.
Oh, I hear him. I hear him. Oh god.
Hey
Oh,
guys,
God.
I sent you
Go
a
the other
handle.
way. Go the other way. Go this way. Go this way. I'm out. I get scared. I'm joining cat.
A closed room. Yeah, this is really safe. Your shadow is like causing such like...
What the
I can't
fuck
even
is
see what's in
that?
front of me.
What?
Is that a body? What the?
Kid. No. I'm standing in the doorway. You
What
guys do it.
the?
Oh,
Why?
weird.
Oh, I hear a
It's an
tape.
alien. Kid.
Oh wait, there's something in here. I hear it. Oh, there it is.
Got a
Is that it?
Ah, that's good. Oh crap, we have to turn around now. No, keep going
No,
straight.
no,
we don't.
No, there's a way.
Going straight.
Yeah, I don't really want to look left or right, so...
I'm so scared, kid. Tunnel vision.
Let's go this way. Along the corridors are always the best.
Why are we letting you lead the way anyways?
Because he's the one in the booty shorts.
Yeah, everyone wants to look at me.
Not just there the whole time. Wow, damn.
I mean, at least you have something to look at.
I'm gonna walk metapod. It's a metapod.
It's a metapod.
Metapod, I choose you. I feel like if we.
Why does he have a pink flashlight? I just noticed that. Why do you have that? Yeah.
I have flags.
You're like moonwalking backwards.
Keep going straight.
Oh my god. You're like breathing.
I got like one. He got me.
He got you?
Hacker.
Do not look back. Do not look back. Whatever you do.
I'm running.
Oh well, shit, I'm dead.
How did he kill you?
I don't know. I never saw him once.
This is why I don't believe you back. It's like radiation.
No, that did not help. That did not help.
What? Where'd you go? Where'd you go?
Don't go straight.
Oh, he went backwards.
Yeah, he's over there.
I did not see him at all.
Oh god, I don't know where you guys are at. Guys, wait for me. Stop.
Charges gaze. I hear running water.
I know, I hear water too.
Is that the fountain?
It's playing.
It's Minecraft.
Playing Minecraft.
Who's like Minecraft?
Hey guys, Van, I'm favorite playing Minecraft. Kick open a wall to tell you people in the cave the whole time.
We were in a cave this whole time.
It's all in M. Night Shyamalan movie.
Whoa!
I found the water fountain. What is this? Water. I think I found the drinking fountain. You're right.
That reminds me of that one episode. It's like, light dead.
trying to think of other
What the
scary
hell?
SpongeBob quotes. I'm trying to think of like other scary
Whoa!
like scary episodes.
What the freak? Wait. Oh god! He's right there!
Don't touch me, don't touch me, don't touch me, don't touch me, don't touch me. I have daddy issues, don't touch me.
I'm ready for it.
Oh my gosh, see your flashlights! Oh my god, guys!
Oh god!
You scared the crap
I'm
out
the hair slinging slacker.
weird.
Why is he like weirded? Like,
I am so amazing. I can just
look at his character model, it just looks weird.
Hey, your arm's stuck in your leg.
Oh, you know what? Don't bother me about that. Wait,
Oh, I hear it. Oh! What was that? I just heard like a pipe drop. It's over here.
hey, tape recorder. Here.
My God.
Alright.
Did it, get it.
Tape fly line did it.
I'm scared. I don't know.
Your face is in my face.
Where'd you go? Oh god.
Take it.
What was
God,
that?
what are you doing?
Guys, I see the grudge girl. Is she in this game?
What? What do you mean the crunch?
You know, like, fucker that goes up the stairs.
I know what you're talking about, really, but I mean,
She does like, she was doing the backflip over there. You didn't see her? What if I just stay in this small room where he probably can't get in?
I'll probably jump.
Like, if you look one way and I look one way, he won't get us.
Yeah, he pops up. Haven't you seen him just pop up?
Yeah, he just appeared here. To scare you.
He just appears. That's what happened to me when I first saw him. Is that him, or is that...
No, that's my stomach.
What's your stomach?
Okay, whose feet? He's really
That was
loud.
mine. I had to catch up. I'm scared. I'm trying to hold on to your picture. Are you ready? Oh god. What was that? My screen just shake for a second. Run, don't run over.
Like a logo on the side of your head.
That's my tramp stamp.
It's your
No,
tramp
that's
stamp.
what I'm talking about. Good.
You have like a dirty leg.
Logo.
Stop commenting on my appearance and let's just find these things.
Oh, I think I have seen him. I think I actually remember that.
Oh god, he's on the right. Oh god, he's on the
Where?
He just disappeared!
Even there
Oh
anymore?
god! He just disappeared!
You know, so you can grab this tape. You guys both just walk past the tape recorder.
Where?
That's fine.
Where's it at?
Sergeant's even still alive in your game?
You still alive?
Ron, don't make me. I'm scared. He's right here.
There's stairs. Come
Where'd you go? Oh, you're over there.
stairs.
Not
Who
the
makes
moment.
stairs this small?
Can you tell me?
No.
Hey, you can go through them though. Alright, let's go this way. This seems
I'm scared. He just, like, looked at me and then he left.
he's playing hard to get.
Oh,
My
you
flashlight's
go
like
back to
about to break.
What?
You wanna borrow mine?
Oh god, what was that?
Does anyone have any spare batteries?
It's like pipes drop.
Why is my flashlight breaking?
Because you probably had enough of me.
Oh, does it really die out? Oh yeah, that's right. It regens. I'll just keep going. Back is the only one
Maybe
that
that's
can
like
see.
Do we have
Yeah,
like
maybe
those
that's like a-
cell batteries that... Wait, I need to plug in my batteries. What are
Energizer
wall
batteries.
chargers?
Where's my images?
Any wall
They're
chargers?
so sponsor me. I need more batteries. If he's away from you guys, he's probably gonna get caught because of what Roy's is
It's
saying.
been out for a while, so...
Oh yeah, you get more likely jumps when you're on home, right?
Yeah,
Oh god, a pipe just dropped behind me.
that could have been me.
What? Dropping? No, no!
I'm not
Don't look at me.
I'm not working.
You got a friend in me.
They don't
You're
regain
like,
energy.
oh, don't look that way.
Why?
Turn.
Was he there?
Well, let's see why.
I didn't see him.
No, I feel like he's going behind us, so maybe if we go back around, he'll be following us.
Maybe it'll be juke him, or gank him.
Yeah, let's fucking yank his sports right
Never
now.
expected.
What if he's
Oh,
like,
yeah, we...
Tactics right now.
Be surprised. It's probably right
Hold on
behind
his
me.
pants so he can't
Hey,
like
bro,
walk.
Here,
what the hell happened, man?
Embarrassed in front of the teacher.
circle.
I am so confused. We're gonna see this
Turn
afterwards,
around.
and we're gonna
Back
be
this way.
so
Yes, turn around, come back.
I
Or
don't
not.
want to turn around.
Okay.
Nobody's back there, no.
Fine.
Oh god!
Oh, he's not back there, you're right. Let's go that way.
You turn. Go in this hallway and then take the first left.
Bro, you're too fast. Oh my god.
My
My
booty
guys,
shorts are making me freaking flash.
your tube socks are making me fast.
Oh, yeah, we can't go that
Oh,
way.
hey. I
Oh.
didn't see that.
Um,
Go this
I don't
way.
want
What?
to
Is he right there? He's not even there. Yeah, he's not right there. Oh, but he's right there!
I know.
How do you know? Oh god!
Because I see him.
No, how did FATKID know?
I didn't know.
What was that?
You said I know.
No, I was
I
talking
can feel him
Oh,
breathing
okay.
on my titties.
Oh, sorry, that was...
Oh, I'm in your face.
You know, just go straight up ahead, just run. Maybe we could kill him through the
Oh god, another pipe. Another pipe is dropped.
Kid, there's a clumsy janitor around here. He keeps dropping pipes.
It's like a clumsy floor.
Turn around.
Where's Mario at?
He's not even behind us.
Fuck you.
He keeps dropping his pipe.
He's on shrooms all the time.
Let's go to the right. Maybe we need to go.
Not the pipe you're thinking.
Ooh.
So,
Drag references.
Every single...
Like there's a Zombos Easter egg way to get one of the things. It's like get a bunch of things and then just open up the UFO, get in it, like pull out
What was that noise?
order.
nothing.
Oh god! Oh, pipe was dropped. Mario, stop trolling me.
What's over?
It's over
I
here.
don't know. Something different that I haven't seen before.
Yeah, I haven't
not
seen
seen this before. Maybe. Yeah, we.
Oh god! Oh god! Oh god! Yes! Oh my god! It's right! Oh my god! Oh god, no, no, no.
Let's see the show too.
I'm so scared. I just literally turned right and he was right next to me.
Hey,
Oh god! Oh!
Who are you gonna call? Ghostbusters!
Oh god. Okay, thank god I'm dead.
what do you mean it's dangerous to go alone? What? Bitch, bring it on. Fucking come here. You wanna go?
I just saved him die. Oh, he just turned into stone. Hey, FATKID. Oh, hey.
Man thing. Oh, what's
Why
that?
did they-
Oh, I see him. I see him. He's right there.
Where?
He's right there. I
Oh,
could
yeah, there's a bus. Turn on, turn on, turn on.
Oh,
Yeah. Oh, this is that one thing that we went in.
trying to just... I would say stay still, but actually, I think he will get jumped. Where'd he go?
Kid. I'm trying to. He was or he.
Whoa! You were
He's
dead.
disconnected. He's disconnected. It said charges diffused disconnected, and then it said you are dead.
Oh, let's watch this, let's watch this.
8:55. Then you guys both made it to 27 minutes.
He couldn't even freaking. He couldn't take it.
One.
What?
Scream.
I didn't scream twice.
I
I
screamed.
screamed once.
You screamed
Oh, I
twice.
screamed twice.
Yeah.
When?
Let's see the replay.
How does
It's not
it
gonna
know
show
I
charges of it.
scream?
We pretty much covered the entire map. We just kind of missed the parts of the middle.
I feel like we've won in our own heart.
We did. Even though my heart really hurts right now. I don't know.
What do you mean?
I need to fart.
We went all over this map. And then we just started getting trapped right there, yeah.
I was like, no, fuck it, I'm going after that gate.
Well, white noise.
White noise, part 7, a new era of noise.